Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to transfer contacts from Android to Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to share or transfer your contacts, so let's see how can you do this. There are two simple ways for the purpose. First way is that you just have to open your phone or contacts and here select the contact which you want to share. As I'm going to share this one, so just tap on it and the contact will be open. Now scroll down and here you will get the share contact option. Select it, then tap continue, and here you will get different share option. You must have to select one of them to share the contact. By this method you just can only share one contact in time, but if you want to share all of your contact at a time, so you have a simple method which is backup your contacts and then sync your contacts on the second device. For this you just have to open your phone settings, then open Google settings. In Google section you'll get the all services option. Select it and here look for contact sync, and here's the Google contact sync. Just select it, then status, and here you can see this is on. And after doing this you just have to log in your same Gmail account at the second Android and then select this option which is restore contact. Select it and here you can see that my all contacts are restored. You just have to tap on restore to restore your all contacts on the second device. So that's how you can easily transfer all of your contacts to Android. You can share your contacts to Android to iPhone by this method. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.